Hi everyone. Today we'll discuss problem on calculus in multivariable or function of several variable. Evaluate and show that limit extends to xy tends to 0 0 f of x equal to 0. Evaluate means short answer problem. Please make a note. Short answer question is evaluate. Long answer question is show that. Show that is always the long question. That means show that means what you are doing? You are doing limit x tends to 0 p1 along the path y tends to 0. Then you are going along the path 2 y tends to 0 x tends to 0. Then you are going along the path y equal to along line x equal to 0. Then along the path fourth path p4 y tends to curve x tends to 0. So this is p1 p2 p3 p4. Four ways you have to do. Along the four paths we have to do. Along the four paths. 1, 2, 3, 4. So first we'll go one by one. P1, P2, P3. If all are equal, then the limit of the function exists, otherwise does not. Evaluate means either you do P1 or P2, we are done. Any one you do, we are done. We got the value. It is 0 or whatever. Okay, let's go. Let's solve this problem. So call it first P1 limit x tends to 0, y tends to 0, x cube minus y cube by x square plus y square. So limit y tends to 0 outside. Now take limit x tends to 0, x cube minus y cube by x square plus y square. Limit y tends to 0 outside. Now, what is this? Limit x tends to 0. 0 cube, there is no 0 cube, 0 square, 0 is 0. So limit y tends to 0. So this is 0 gone, minus y cube by y square is minus y. Now apply the limit, y tends to 0, it is 0. So that means our P1 is 0. Name it number 1. Now for the P2, limit y tends to 0, first you have to take, then x tends to 0. The opposite of the P1. What is our problem? X cube minus y cube by x square plus y square. So limit x tends to 0 outside, limit y tends to 0, x cube minus y cube by x square plus y square. Now limit x tends to 0. Now y tends to 0 if you put x cube by x square. Y tends to 0 if you put minus 0 cube plus 0. You see there is no 0 square 0, 0. 0 to the any finite number is 0. Don't say what is 0 to the 0. These are undetermined form. We will discuss it. I have already made 10-15 videos on undetermined limits. If you want, you can go and see. So therefore, x square x. This is x. Limit x x. Limit this is 0. So p2 equal to 0. You see, p1 equal to 0, p2. We are not done. We are not done. We have to go along the line and along the curve. If that also are equal to 0, then all four are equal. Now we will go for P3. What is P3? Limit y tends to along the line, x tends to 0. Our f of x is x cube minus y cube by x square plus y square. So limit x tends to 0. Limit y tends to m of x, mx, x cube, y cube by x square plus y square. Limit x tends to 0. Now, wherever y is there, you are writing mx. Wherever y is there, you are writing mx. Wherever y is there, we are writing mx. So minus mx cube plus mx square. Mx square. So what we are doing here, taking common. So x cube, if you take common from the numerator, 1 minus m cube. From the denominator, if you take x square, 1 plus m square. You see what will happen? X square and x cube get cancel, we are left with x. Now if you substitute x equal to 0, 0 into any fixed number is 0. That means what you are saying, P3 is 0. Now we'll go for P4. What is P4? What we are taking P4, limit y tends to curve, x tends to 0. And our problem is x cube minus y cube by x square plus y square. So limit x tends to 0. First we will perform for the curve y. X cube minus y cube by x square plus y square. So limit x tends to 0. So what is y? Y is tends to mx square. So mx square whole cube by mx square whole square. So what we are doing, limit x tends to 0. Outside we did not do anything with the x. So what I am taking is x cube, if I take common, 1 minus m cube m cube x cube. X square, if you take common, 1 plus m square x square. Now see here, x square x to the power of 3 cancel, we are left with x. Now limit x tends to 0, if you substitute 0 into any fixed number is 0. So it is 0. Therefore P4 equal to 0. So we have done, you see, P1 you have done equal to 1, P2 you have done equal to 2, P3 you have done equal to 0, P4. Therefore, P1 equal to P2 equal to P3 equal to P4 equal to 0. Since the value of limit along any path is same. That means all the four, P1, P2, P3. Therefore, limit of the function exists. Therefore, I exist and equal to 0. And it is 0. So limit x, y tends to 0, 0, x cube minus y cube by x square plus y square equal to 0. Hence, that's it. Thanks for watching. It's very easy problem. It's look long but very easy problem. Please do subscribe my channel and share with your friends. This all engineering math I am covering for Osmania University, all the types. So please do subscribe and share with your friends.